This cocktail is called the Brave Bull. Go ahead and add your ice to your glass to start out with, like so. Now we're going to do 1.5 ounces of tequila. Here we go. Gold tequila would work good with this one. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. This is Kahlua, but any coffee liqueur will work. There's also a tequila coffee liqueur out there. It's made by Patron. I think it's called XO, Cafe Patron. That's really good, too. So that might work good. You'd have a lot of tequila, right? We're going to stir this all together. That should be nice and mixed. Now you're going to take your Brave Bull. Here's your cocktail glass. Go ahead and pour it on in there. And last but not least, we are going to add a lemon peel. Twist it so that the oil comes out of the skin. And throw it on in there. Garnish it with a stirring straw. And you are on your way. Good luck with this one. Cheers.